Have you guys tried pork sinigang? So for the ingredients, you will be needing for this I'm just cooking for 2 persons. So I'll be using 2 tomatoes. So I just cut them in half, and then half onions chopped as well, just this size, and then 2 cups of water, and then you put the pork. So for this one, this is called liempo, or just pork, and use also spare ribs. And then you let it this boil. Pork sinigang, I put salt on it. What I have here is the gabi. It's also called taro. So this is one of the vegetables. So this one's took longer to cook, so we're gonna put it once it's boiling. So for the other vegetables, we have I usually use kangkong. You can find in the Asian market, but since I didn't have it, I'm just using bok choy. You can also use that, or cabbage. And then if you want it a little bit like kind of spicy, you can put jalapeno. And then we're using a tamarind soup mix for the, so maybe this one, maybe a 1 to 2 tablespoons preferably. We're gonna put this once everything is cooked, like the gabi, the taro. If it's soft, then we can put this and a little bit of salt or fish sauce. So you have to wait for this to soften, the gabi. Alright, close it. Next step is we're gonna put the vegetables, the bok choy and jalapeno. We already tip, guys, so you can also use sitaw or legumes, and then okra, and then eggplant or talong. So once everything is cooked, it's time to eat. Kain. In English, let's eat. Watching, guys. Maraming salamat. Bye. Enjoy your food.